everyone, welcome back to my channel English Halivate. If you are a Hindi background learner and you feel nervous while speaking English, this video is for you. Today we will correct 5 very common spoken English mistakes with clear explanation and easy examples. Watch till the end and practice with me. Let's start with the first mistake. Many people say I am agree, but this sentence is wrong. The reason is very simple. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. And we do not use an am, is, are with verbs. That's why we say I agree. For example, I agree with you. Now repeat with me. I agree. I agree. Now the second mistake is many people say I am understanding. But this sentence is not correct. Understand is a stative verb. And stative verbs are not used in a continuous tense. Stative verbs talk about thoughts, feelings or knowledge. So the correct sentence is I understand. For example, I understand your problem. Repeat with me. I understand. I understand. The third mistake is very common. Many learners say he did mistake. In English, we don't do a mistake. We always make a mistake. So the correct sentence is he made a mistake. For example, he made a mistake in the exam. He made a mistake to tell you. Now repeat with me. He made a mistake. He made a mistake. Now let's talk about a grammar mistake. After did not, we always use the base form of the verb, not the past form. That's why went is wrong here. The correct sentence is I did not go. For example, I did not go to the party. Repeat after me. I did not go. I did not go. Now, the last mistake for today, don't say I am knowing. Know is also a stative verb. We don't use stative verbs in continuous tense. So the correct sentence is I know. For example, I know the answer. I know you. Repeat with me. I know. So, if you avoid these 5 mistakes, your spoken English will become more natural and confident. Yesterday, I dashed go to the party. Comment your answer, and if you came here from thoughts, comment thoughts below. And if you want to daily spoken English practice, subscribe to this channel and practice with me every day. Thank you for watching.